Traders, FS Picolette here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I'm definitely thinking it's pretty clearly the end of a Crescent right here, and then this is a 1, a 2, and we're still in that wave 3. Most wave 3s do go to at least a 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, which is why I'm still very bullish, and I still think it's more likely to push up to the 2540 area before it actually goes down and makes a wave forward and back up again for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is the bigger wave 1, this is the bigger wave 2. Then this is the subdivisions from that point on. So this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3. I think we are very clearly in a wave 5 of wave 3, which, I mean, it could definitely stop at the 2500. The market does love round numbers, but I think it's more likely to head towards the 2550, 2540 area to finish off this wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely think that it's going to hit this 50%. That may be the area where it ends at wave 5. The trend is definitely up right now. We do have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow, so we'll have to see what happens today. Whatever happens today is definitely going to be setting itself up for the news tomorrow. Either way, I think that it will go up and hit this 50% because that is a very likely projection for a wave 5, the Fibonacci extension projection for a wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fib retracement on just this last little move right here. I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3. So I mean, I really don't think it's over. We might have to make like a little bit of a crescent, maybe go down to like the 38%, but I still think that we have more upside potential. The market loves round numbers, and that $2,500 area is sitting right at the 50% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow for the U.S. Definitely should be a pretty big news event. It seems like the dollar pairs are definitely waiting for it. Most of the dollar pairs have been pretty slow over the last week or so. So whatever's going to happen now over the next 24 hours or so is definitely going to be setting itself up for the news tomorrow. It seems to me like we may possibly make a crescent, for the next 24 hours or so. Maybe make our way down to the 38%, and hopefully it's going to set itself up for a nice long opportunity. I personally am not sorting it because I'm definitely a swing trader, so I would personally just wait for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. If you are a scalper, then maybe you could get a couple little sorts out of it, but I'm definitely not a scalper, so I will for sure be patiently waiting for pullback entries to go long again, just like this one right here, this one right here. Those are the type of trades that I'm going to be waiting for to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.